Alrighty, here we go, YouTubers. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good Prime day. Everybody got some deals. This is a good one to get right now that dropped just today. All you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys over at HoHem Electronics, I think, or just HoHem. This is their HoHem Go. This thing is amazing, guys. It's like a little tripod, 2-axis AI auto tracking holder. So you don't need a Bluetooth or an app. It just, you gotta turn it on. Pretty simple, great for upcoming holiday gift to give somebody if you don't know what to get them. If they're a hard buy or a shopper to buy for, this is a cool one to get. If you do a lot of live streaming for cooking and whatnot and other arts and crafts. But I've been messing around with it for a few minutes now and really impressed how it picks up everything perfectly with the hand gestures. Power turns on really fast. Comes with a USB cord right here, so charges good. Fully charges 2 hours. Low battery caution, 100% or 10% red light flashes continuously. Charging the indicator slow flashes continuously. Fully charged, the indicator light stays on. And here we go. Let's take a look at this little guy. The HoHem Go. Really cool. Got a blue light. See, it's already, once you put your phone in, see the knob? This is where you adjust your phone size. Got the grips so it won't slide everywhere. Here we go. So you can adjust like so. If you had a slim phone or iPhone, any kind of smartphone. Bigger phones are all the way in the back. Comes at the bottom, got a little tripod you could use too. Maybe if you're doing outdoors or you're cooking or arts and crafts. But it has the, what is it called? The sticky or the sliders. It's been a long day. There's a camera right there. Really nice, but it's not a camera, it's for a sensor. Here we go. Put that in. There you go. Camera. Oops. Hold on one sec. There we go. Video. And you can have it portrait. See, there it goes. Really cool though. Like I said, if you're looking for something new to get this year, this is a good one to get. HoHem. And all you gotta do is click that link down below, guys. Add it to your cart right now. Check out. That'll be it for tonight. Be safe. Have a good night.